Yeah, hello, Hamster Combat miners. I'm pretty sure for you to stop by, it's because you are a Hamster Combat miner and you really want to know what you have to be doing for you to prevent loss of the coins that you have actually waited for. I welcome you to my channel. If you have never subscribed to this channel, I urge you to go ahead and do so for the sake of receiving all the updates that you need. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into things. So let me just collect this one. They're saying the exchange has started working for you, so I'm clicking thank you OKX. Beautiful. What I want to point out is the fact that what you're seeing on top here, those figures, 13,446,800 something, those are not very important. The coins you are seeing here are not coins that you have to keep. You have to make use of them so as to bring you more profit. Now, what matters the most, or what is of great significance, is what you're seeing in the top right there. There is OKX. Now, right below OKX, there's profit per hour. That is what matters the most. So now, how do you make an increment, or how do you maximize that? So when you check on yours, if you just begin to mine Hamster Kombat, you'll see a 0 there. So then how do you change it from 0 to something? So what you do is, of course, when you begin to mine this up, sorry, when you begin to mine this up, there will actually be things that you need to do. If you haven't seen the first video that I did, you need to check it out. You follow Hamster Kombat guys on X, then join their Telegram group. Then you can also follow them on Discord, on YouTube. You don't need to worry. You don't need to go out there searching for them. There will be links that will be provided when you just create an account, or when you just begin to mine it. So initially, yeah, when you just begin to mine this one, you need to tap on the center. You tap at the center on this animal that you're seeing here, which is the hamster. Okay, yeah, but when you just begin, you will actually be getting 1 when you tap, but you can maximize what you're walking away with by using 2 or 3 fingers. So how do you do that? You click boost here. You have to be making use of that. So you can click full energy. Let me show you. When you check here on top of OKX, there is 4,800 something. Then on the right there's 7,000, right? So the 7,000 is showing you to say this is the number of coins you collect when you tap, and you keep on tapping to the end till all the coins have been collected. So you keep on tapping. Mostly people ask themselves, for how long should I keep on tapping? You tap until the number on the left drops to 0. Okay, so it has actually gone to 1, right? So anytime I tap, nothing is happening. So all the coins you've collected will actually be accumulated on top there. You're seeing I have 13,455,575. So now you can now boost what you are walking, or what you'll be walking away with anytime you tap. So we can click boost, and then you go where it says mount tap. Are you able to see that? Mount tap. So I was getting a 12, right? If I click here, they will actually deduct 64,000 coins from those coins that I have. Okay, so I click go ahead, and I had 400 something here. That was 13,400,000 something. There's a drop. I don't know if you have noticed. So there's a drop. So I now have 391 there. 13,300,000. Now if I tap here, it has changed from 12. It's now 13, right? It makes it easier for you to actually collect all the coins that you have to collect when you're collecting more coins per tap. Then you can also click boost. Then energy limit. Here, as you can see, there is let me show you. There is 7,000 here. So every after some minutes, there will be 7,000 coins that I'll need to collect. So I can actually boost that. So I will lose 128,000 from those coins I've collected so far. So there we go. I have to click go ahead, and I'm leveling up. I've gone to level 8. So now you see it has actually changed from 7,000. It has gone to 7,500. Okay, then what is most important and how you mine Hamster Kombat is not everything that I've shown you. That will help you now to do the actual mining. Now the actual mining is you have to click where it reads mine. When you click there, you will now begin to see all these, because when you check in the actual group for these people are clever and they're wise. They're showing you have to buy this, you have to buy that. So using the coins you've collected, you'll be checking here. So when you check here, there is margin trading, that is level 0. I have to click it. I'm using the coins now to buy all these. Boom, and I can level up this one again. Let me wait. Okay, margin trading, I level it up, so it has gone to level 2. Then I can check around to see if there are others that I have to level up. This one is at level 3. Can level it up to level 4, and they are getting the coins that I had actually accumulated that side, right? Now all these will actually be given back to you because these are maximizing the profits that you'll be making per hour. Then you've seen the one which is active is market. So PR and team, I click there. Then I check around. All these have actually been leveled up to level 3. Let me see if there is any which is at level 0. Okay, so there is this card which they were saying you have to buy this one, which is the security audition. You have to have this one. So make use of the coins that you are accumulating that side. Don't keep them. Otherwise they will be burned and you won't earn nothing. Let's move on. We are leveling up all the items in here. Level 3, enhance your exchange. Then let's move on to legal. We have level 2. Check out. None of them is at level 0, but we can still level them up. Anti-money laundering license in Nigeria. Okay, so you're seeing what I'm doing. Make use of those coins to do. Then click specials. Then we check. There must be something new here. There's level 2. Then they're saying I own this card, Joe Rogan podcast. You have to spend the coins on this one. Okay, so this is now the real mining, and this is how you actually don't stop. So you're saying cool, first card is ready, don't stop. See that? Okay, so you see now that on the first card there was a question mark. This time around we are able to see what's the special hamster conference. We are heading on. We were actually on specials. Then I'm gonna click the second one. Go ahead. Boom, we've actually purchased that one. As it's loading, let me click this one. This one we have owned this one already, and you can click that one. 54,296. Upgrade is yours. This one level 3 mega event. Then we can as well click where it reads new cards. Okay, so there is specials there. When you activate specials, what you now have to focus on, they're saying my cards. These are the cards we've actually purchased and we are owning them. So now you can click new cards. You know, I wasn't seeing this in the first place, so most of the cards would actually end up expiring. So you can now check. There's this one, level 0. You've seen that one? That is, there are 2 chairs there. So click it. You've made the right decision. You've been carefully building the strategic partnership with Telegram. 50,000. All these will actually be given back to you. You're not just throwing away the coins. You know what I'm saying? Can click it again, 55,000. Boom. And let's check. We click new cards. Okay, so there is Dubai office something. Click it. And the same, work in the heart of crypto exchange is leading. So you have to have 1 million. Okay. And let's check on others which are available. This one here, Villa for the dev team. Click it and they will actually deduct 2,000 coins. You've seen, this is how you go about this. Be wise and don't let your coins actually go to waste. After you've actually mined big time, get back here, make sure that you happen to acquire all these cards which are available. Okay, make sure you collect these cards which are available. Let's check the one at the bottom. That's USDT on tank. Click it. That one is available as well, so they will deduct 10,000 coins. Click it. I hope you're seeing this. Very important, you keep on reading in the Telegram group there. Keep on reading in the Telegram group. They're actually indicating go and grab this, and time is ticking. Go and grab this card and make sure that you own it. Time is ticking. So you have to make use of the coins that you are accumulating there by doing what I'm just showing you that you have to be doing. This is what is very, very important, and this is what you have to be doing. Okay, so time is ticking. Check this one, up center listing. Click it, go ahead. Let's check if there are more other new cards which are available. So these others are locked. They will be unlocked as time goes by. So let's check. They're saying missed opportunities. So these others expired, and I didn't know I was supposed to be doing what I'm just showing you. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. This is Dog Mountain.